Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas lights clips is probably one of the most underrated aspects of holiday decorating, but trust me, choosing the right ones can make or break your display. From ensuring your lights stay securely in place, even in the harshest weather, to achieving that perfect, professional look, the right clips are key. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of outdoor Christmas light clips, so you can deck your halls with confidence. Number 5. Command Outdoor Light Clips. These Command Outdoor Light Clips make hanging your string lights a breeze. It includes 20 clear clips and 24 water-resistant strips, perfect for outdoor use. You can hang lights without damaging your surfaces. These clips hold strongly through various weather conditions, from rain to heat. The clips work on many smooth surfaces. You can use them on doors, siding, fences, and windows. Before applying, clean the surface with a dry cloth. This ensures the clips bond properly. They work best in temperatures between 15 and 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid rough surfaces like brick or cement. Wait an hour after installation before hanging lights. Do not use them for valuable items. To remove, hold the top of the strip and pull down slowly. This prevents damage to your surfaces. You can also reuse the hooks with new strips. What we like. This product offers damage-free hanging, so you don't have to worry about leaving marks on your surfaces. It's also weather-resistant, perfect for outdoor use in various conditions. If you are looking for a simple and reliable solution that won't damage your home, you should consider this. What people say. I used these to install lights on my front balcony. They withstand a lot of wind and rain. I like how they are clear, so they are easy to disguise while the lights are not up. These items are insane. I was able to install LED lights for my daughter's mirror without any issue. Number 4. Sewanta Holiday Light Clips, set of 200. Get ready to decorate. This set of 200 clips provides plenty for your entire house. They are made in the USA from durable plastic and work with all kinds of string lights. Beautifully illuminate your house during the holidays. These clips easily attach to gutter edges or slide under shingles. Their neutral color ensures they blend seamlessly with your lights. Installation is a breeze. These clips can be used as is or detached for the perfect lighting position. Secure them tightly to surfaces without causing any damage. Achieve the look you desire. Lights can face up or down, depending on your preference. These clips offer a neat, simple, and hassle-free solution for your holiday decorating. Installing Christmas lights has never been easier. These smartly designed, USA-made clips effectively hold bulbs, even in strong winds. You'll love how easy it is to use them. What we like. These clips are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and durability. They are designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you value products made with quality and want a hassle-free decorating experience, this is the one for you. What people say. These are sturdier than many light clips that I have bought before. They work well and they're very versatile due to the fact that the part that holds the lamp can rotate 90 degrees. Also, the part that slides under the shingles is very rigid, which makes it easier to get in place. They easily accommodated the lights I have, and I can tell they would easily accommodate mini lights also. They worked well on both the edge of my gutter and edge of roof shingles. They hold well and can take 2 lights at the same time. Number 3. Maitys 60 PCS Outdoor Cable Clips. This package comes with 60 clear cable clips. They are designed for long-term use, providing you with plenty to organize your space. These clips are built to withstand the elements. Rain, snow, or heat, they hold strong on various outdoor surfaces. The adhesive hooks are in a large size. You can remove them without leaving any trace behind, keeping your surfaces clean. Installation is a breeze with these decorative adhesive hooks. No tools are needed, making setup and removal simple and straightforward. Before applying, clean the surface. Stick it on and press firmly for 30 seconds. For maximum adhesion, wait 24 hours before use. If your lights are long, use more clips. What we like. With a waterproof design, this product is built to withstand the elements. The large size ensures it can accommodate various light cords. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use solution for organizing your lights, especially in wet conditions, you should consider it. What people say. They stuck to my vinyl window and door frame securely and did not fail through the season. They adhere very quickly and I hung up 500 feet of lights with them using all 60 hooks. Not a single one fell through the duration of the holiday season. These are great because they are tiny and clear, almost invisible, and cost a fraction of 3M ones. Number 2. Maitys Clip Hooks, Easy Christmas Light Installation. Tired of struggling with Christmas lights? These clips offer a quick and easy setup. It holds various wire types, making decorating your home a breeze. Built to last, these hooks can handle different weather conditions. They are perfect for securing your lights on shingles and gutters, ensuring they stay in place. Not just for Christmas, these clips are great year-round. Use them for any outdoor lighting needs, adding style and convenience to your space. These clips are designed to grip tightly, keeping your lights secure. You can relax knowing your lights will stay in place, even in windy conditions. Support American craftsmanship with these quality clips. You can trust in their reliability and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a product made in the USA. What we like. This product offers quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. Its durable design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you want a secure and long-lasting solution for your outdoor lights, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clips are very easy to put on and grip the soffit solidly. These clips roll open and will pretty much fit any type of soffit. These clips really work well. The twisted end of the clip appears to be a good match for most rain gutter types. Number 1. Maitys Clip Hooks, Easy Christmas Light Installation. Tired of struggling with Christmas lights? These clips offer a quick and easy setup. They are designed to hold various light types, making decorating your home a breeze. Built to last, these hooks can handle different weather conditions. They are perfect for securing your lights on shingles and gutters, ensuring they stay in place. These clips aren't just for Christmas, you can use them year-round. They enhance your outdoor spaces with style and convenience, making them ideal for any event. Designed with a strong grip, these clips keep your lights secure. You can enjoy your festive gatherings without worrying about your lights falling down, even in windy conditions. Support American craftsmanship with these quality clips. You can trust in their reliability and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a product made in the USA. What we like. This product offers quick and easy installation, saving you time and effort. Its durable design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you want a secure and long-lasting solution for your outdoor lights, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clips are very easy to put on and grip the soffit solidly. These clips roll open and will pretty much fit any type of soffit. These clips really work well. The twisted end of the clip appears to be a good match for most rain gutter types. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.